Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you some of my really tried and true tips and tricks on how to set a beautiful summer table. So whether it's for breakfast or lunch or dinner, I think setting the table is something I've always taken a lot of pride in, and I think sometimes people can get a little overwhelmed. So I'm going to break down my top tips on how to set an easy, breezy, and beautiful summer table. So let's start with texture. Texture to me is the perfect way to kind of conjure up memories of the beach or that nautical vibe. And I'm going to show you what I have here. So here I have these beautiful rattan chargers that are studded in these white seashells. And I found these online, and of course, if you're super crafty, you could make them yourself. I have a great, just simple little plain white plate, but it has a nice blue trim and a little anchor. And I love these plates. These to me are like the epitome of summer, and it looks super chic with that gorgeous shell charger. I have a nice natural linen ironed napkin that I've just folded in half, and then a little jute ball. These are actually place card holders, but as you can see, I'm using them on the napkin to kind of hold that napkin down. I've got an everyday fork and knife, nothing very fancy, and then I have a little footed wine glass and a little straight-sided bistro glass. Now the flowers. So I know I always say your flowers on your table should never be any taller from your elbow to the base of your wrist. But in this case, because these are so light and wispy, you can get away with having to be a little bit taller. And all I have are these round beakers, and they're clear glass. And I love using clear glass as vases because it really does kind of let also the stems of your florals also become part of your table. And anytime you can kind of let things be light and airy, I think is really key, especially in the summertime. And I have just these beautiful greens I found in the grocery store. You can use all kinds of flowers. You could use seeded eucalyptus or silver dollar eucalyptus. Those are most commonly found in the grocery store. Or you can go to your favorite local florist and ask to see what they have. Even just beautiful lemon leaves down the center of the table and gorgeous lemons would be beautiful. And the best way to tell if your flowers are just tall enough is to take a seat. So what I like to do is after I get the table set, I like to sit down and make sure that I can see over the flowers, and these are the perfect height. These are probably the tallest point is about 14 inches. But setting the table for summer really does, for me, involve creating lots of texture, light and bright, natural fibers, and just a really simple color palette. So I hope you found my summer table inspiring. Please head over to marcsievers.com for detailed photos of everything on this table, including a different flower type and a different flower arrangement that I did this table prior. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. There's one thing missing from this table. Well, two things. Ryan and a glass of wine. Bye, guys. For more ideas on flowers and entertaining, head to my website, marcsievers.com. Thanks for watching.